John 17 verse 4. On earth I have given you glory by finishing the work you gave me to do. To save us from the state of death in which we ended up because of the fall, we found that spirits rebelled and so did man. Part of the accomplished work of Jesus was that he subdued principalities and powers and bound them with chains of darkness, cast them out, and set captives free. Modern day humanity lives blind and ignorant to this awesome reality and such great salvation we received from Jesus to be set free from evil spirits. The work that Jesus accomplished was also a fulfillment of a spiritual command, namely to bring an end to the tyrannical rule of darkness over mankind. Colossians 2, verse 14 to 15. He did this by erasing the charges that were brought against us by the written laws God had established. He took the charges away by nailing them to the cross. He stripped the rulers and authorities of their power and made a public spectacle of them as he celebrated his victory in Christ.